stop scrolling and start sanding. If you got a pile of scrap wood and a spare weekend, you're sitting on a potential gold mine of DIY projects that people actually want to buy. Let's dive into 21 quick wins that can turn your workshop scraps into a profitable side hustle. Number 1. Pallet coffee table. Disassemble old shipping pallets to create a rustic, industrial-style centerpiece for any living room. Number 2. Vintage ladder bookshelf. Clean up an old wooden A-frame ladder and add planks across the rungs for an instant, trendy display unit. Number 3. Crate nightstands. Sand and stain 2 sturdy wooden milk crates to create a minimalist, stackable bedside storage solution. Number 4. Headboard bench. Transform a discarded wooden headboard into the backrest of a charming, farmhouse-style entryway bench. Number 5. Log stool. Level off a thick tree stump, add some heavy-duty hairpin legs, and finish with a clear coat for a high-end organic look. Number 6. Wine crate bar cart. Attach rolling casters to a pair of stacked vintage wine crates for a mobile, rustic beverage station. Number 7. Scrap wood coasters. Cut small squares from leftover hardwood, sand them smooth, and add a cork backing for a quick, sellable gift set. Number 8. Floating shelves. Use thick pieces of reclaimed timber to create invisible wall-mounted shelves that add character to any room. Number 9. Wooden serving tray. Combine a flat board with 2 stylish cabinet handles for a functional piece of kitchen decor. Number 10. Blanket ladder. Lean a tall, narrow wooden ladder against a wall to display throws and quilts in a cozy, organized way. Number 11. Minimalist candle holders. Drill holes into small wooden blocks or branches to hold tea lights or taper candles for a natural aesthetic. Number 12. Rustic picture frames. Use weathered fence pickets to create textured, wide border frames that make any photo pop. Number 13. Hexagon wall planters. Assemble small wooden slats into geometric shapes to house succulents or air plants. Number 14. Magnetic key rack. Embed small, powerful magnets into the back of a live edge with strip to keep keys organized by the door. Number 15. Wooden wall clock. Cut a simple wood round, sand it perfectly, and install a basic clock kit for a timeless piece of functional art. Number 16. Driftwood wall hanging. Arrange sun-bleached driftwood pieces into a mosaic pattern for a coastal-inspired statement piece. Number 17. Geometric mountain art. Use miter-cut scrap to build a 3D landscape of mountain peaks for a modern nursery or office. Number 18. Abstract totem sculpture. Stack varied blocks of wood on a central dowel to create a rotating, tactile desk accessory. Number 19. Wooden map cutout. Use a jigsaw to carve out a state or country silhouette for a personalized piece of wall decor. Number 20. Hand-carved bird figurines. Whittle small, smooth bird shapes from softwoods like basswood for a charming, artisanal touch. Number 21. Bathtub caddy. Cut a single plank to the width of a standard tub and add small ledges to hold a book and a glass for a spa-like experience. You don't need a massive workshop or a degree in carpentry to turn trash into cash. Just a bit of vision and plenty of sandpaper. Pick one project from this list. Post it on a local marketplace and see how fast it flies off the shelf.